Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about farm animals today. Look at this big sunny farm. Tweet! Cows give us healthy milk to drink every morning. They love eating fresh green grass. Can you hear the loud moo? Moo. Sheep have very soft, fluffy wool that makes our warm sweaters. Maya touches the wool while the sheep eats some hay. Pah. Pigs love rolling in the cool mud to stay happy. Zippy is scanning the muddy pigs while they play and oink, oink. Chickens live inside the coop and lay eggs. Professor Paws shows us how they peck at the golden seeds on ground. Cluck. Horses are strong and can run very fast. Leo is barking happily as the horse gallops across the wide green field. Neigh. Ducks love swimming in the farm pond. They use their webbed feet to paddle quickly while we watch them splash around. Quack. Goats are talented climbers that can jump on rocks. Look at them balance while we all cheer for our furry friends. Nah! Donkeys are very strong and help the farmer carry things. They are hard-working animals that like to eat carrots and hay. Yee-haw! We loved meeting all the farm animals. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon. Bye, everyone. See ya!